Here's number 28, all number 12. The kick out at the right wing, head to shoot. Shot number no. Rebound, the last 2 points. Here is number 22. Pass it down the left wing, the drive misses. At the balance of both states. 11 of the shot clock, the kick out for Grady. 6 seconds on the shot clock. 6 seconds to shoot. Here's number 10, a sidestep to 5, the best 2 points. What a finish to get that 4-point lead down for Pitbulls. Here's number 22, passing down the right wing. The speed down again. The outlet pass, number 28, and the put back 2 points. 7-point lead down for Pitbulls. With 7 to nothing right now. Here's what we're going to do. Russell's over. Now the pass number 10. The shot is down. Our official score is 14 to 9 as our 7 to 7 get the finish. The lead now is 12 to 3.
Let's go!
The kick out now at the corner. On the drive. Gets the basket and one. Foul number 2. Down low now. Here is number 10. Igniting the offense. So it's Morales sidestep drive. Stop. Comes the lead down. Put back again. Rebound number 15. Outlet press now. Number 77. Finding his space. At the baseline. 29. Ball stays with 13 seconds to shoot. Pass it down at the corner. With 10 on the shot clock. Good another steal. Here's number 12. Off number 1 for 3. Too strong. Here's number 22. Pass it down the right way. Cut the shoot for 3 to stop. Rebound now by number 10. On the handle now. Pass it down number 28. On the top of the key. Number 40 to Wambik. Attacks the lane. Loses the basketball. Here's number 77 on the transition. Takes it off. In and out. Rebound. Put back 2 points. 3-point game. Here's number 12, pass it down on the right wing. Pulls it up the Spain. What a good one by number 10. We go over to number 12. Here's the heat down, number 12. At the corner, number 20. Number 10, step up Gray. No. The ball down the wing. The speed down by number 77. Down the gas. There's number 15. Goes all the way. No. Rebound. Secured by number 1. Shots for 3. No. Rebound number 1. Shot for 5. Number 12. Getting the steal. Basket 2 points. 30 seconds remaining in our game clock. On the drive. Good ball. Shot is out. 10 seconds. Here's number 10. Morales. The top of the board. They're getting out. The ball fake. 5 to shoot. Number 1. Jumper. Okay. That's the rebound. The pump fake.